Hello, dear affiliate marketer. If you're really looking for a contest where you can win iPhone 15 Pro Max, then this video is for you. And this is the sales page when you do the affiliate marketing, and why people will buy from my sales page and who am I. So you need to know. For that, you need to search on Google or Bing this with this with these words, and you will find this page, and there you can see all the things about my records, certifications, testimonial. Everything is real, and that's why people will buy. And yeah, I have a good records and not bad records like refund policy, anything like bad. So people obviously gonna buy from my sales page if you do the affiliate marketing. So there is a high conversion chance to make sales. So how it will works, very simple. If you're an affiliate marketer, just visit myclickregime.com websites, then click affiliate. When you go to that site, this page will be appear. Here you will get all the information how to do the affiliate marketing all about, and I'm giving you more instruction on the YouTube video. So how it will works, you can see that meet Nadir Kaysar. This is the affiliate marketing, and this is the sales page. So what we need to do here, I told everything in detail. 50% commission, hourly recurring income. Let's say you made 1 hour booking for me, so you're gonna get 50% discount. So how many bookings I have? Like, I can do more. I can do more. So you can make maybe $200 per day if you are a good seller, good affiliate marketers from here, and 50% commission is really good. So here you can get 25% commissions if you make sales $750. If you make 50% commission if you sell this one. Now this is the actual price per month. All the things are recurring, so every month you will make this money. So this is how it will works. And soon we are running a contest. You can win iPhone 15 Pro Max if you fill up the target, and this will be the leaderboard. It is right now empty because that you can see that date is not come yet. So you need to make 150 sales. Previously I told if anybody previously I told if anybody make 150 sales and reach the first place, I will provide iPhone 15 Pro Max for free. And I hope that person live in a place where I can do the shipping and everything, so he can get that on his hand. So right now I'm announcing if anybody make 150 sales, all right, on this leaderboard, I will provide him. I will give away 100. I will give away iPhone 15 Pro Max to each and every person who made 150 sales and reach on this leaderboard. All right. So this is amazing contest. No one living in an empty hand, because I was an affiliate marketer once upon a time. I know how hard it is to generate sales. So you have to have some gratitude for me to doing the hard work, right? So this is all about, and you have to make sales during this date. This is the contest. And if you're a professional affiliate marketer, then you already know what to do after seeing this. So how will you get the access and how it will work? So what is it is, if you don't have account, you can click over there and make a registrations like others do in Gmail and other accounts for creating accounts. So I'm not going to show that. This is very easy. So what I will do after creating account, login, when we are logged in, you'll see something like that. And here you can see your stats, how many sales you made, conversion, commission, sales, sign up. All right. And here is the banner. And if you have a blog, if you have anything like mobile apps, you can copy and paste over there as an embed. This banner will show up over there, and this is highly responsive. It can be used on your iPhone, Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy, and any kind of phone. So After copy and paste and save over the page or websites, turn on this. If you don't turn on, you will not get any stats, you will not get any commissions. So when you turn on and go back, you'll see the check marks, means your banners is on. So when someone will visit, when someone will buy, you'll see the stats, and money will automatically go to your PayPal or what account you're using right now. So this is all about very simple, but we have one conditions, like you have to make 150 sales among these days. Top persons on this leaderboard who made 115 sales, they will win iPhone Pro Max 15 for free. And I will try my best to reach the phone to your home. If you live somewhere where we can't do the shipping, I will send the money of iPhone so you can buy from your local shop. So here is the very important thing that you need to know, and you have to watch this video for know that, because I didn't mention anywhere. And what is the reason? It's very simple. On this page, if someone buy for $5, is everything is recurring, every single month they have to pay. If someone buy for $5 this month, it will not count as a among 115 sales. Okay, 115 sales. So he have to make at least $60 for 1 year. I mean, he have to make a bill for 1 year. $5 multiplied 12 months equal to $60. So he have to buy this service for 1 year. If he buy for 1 year, it will be added among 115 sales, 50 sales. So that's how it will work. So make sure you made your customer to buy that for 1 year, and what they will get, everything is given over here. So you don't need to worry about, you don't need to explain too much, because when they will come to the site and visit and read everything, they will obviously gonna buy if they're really looking for websites, very affordable websites. Especially let me give you an instruction what kind of people can buy. Even I tried myself, I sell many. I don't want to show you how much money I make, because uh, for security purpose, some people trying to hack my account for several years, decade. That's why I'm not willing to show you how much money I made. So yeah, if you want to see, you can see over here. If you click over there you can see my how many sales I made from my websites. So yeah, this is a small glimpse. I made more. So if you're doing the affiliate marketing, you have to be serious about that. And anyone can win this competition. No one know, because this is very standard quality sales page. For I made this for beginners, even they can make sales. All right, even I tried with someone, he made sales. He's a very beginner, he never did the affiliate marketing. And anybody who see that sales page willing to get the service. All right, because everything is here is not white lies. I did works before, and I have a portfolio. If they search about me, they will know about me more. So make sure, most probably local businesses like this kind of services, because they need affordable services. So you might gonna make more sales on this, and make sure you made them for 1 years. They just need to mention $60 and they need to buy. When they will pay the bill, you will get commission automatically, instantly. You don't need to wait for 7 days, 14 days. All right, so this is all about. If you have more questions in your mind, if you have anything in your mind, you can ask me. All the links will be given on the descriptions. You don't need to worry about. So have a great day and stay safe.